So here is one of my favorite things to make with my greens. It's a zucchini squash casserole. I make it just like I'm making spaghetti sauce, and I put it on top of the zucchini, and I put all my favorite stuff that I can find in the kitchen on top of it, and then I bake it. Before I put it in the oven though, I bake the squash in the air fryer for about 7 minutes, and then I put it together. If you've seen my other video, I made this with collard greens and kale from the garden. And so this is the rest of that video so that you can see what they look like together. I have a picture there at the front. I put tomatoes and sun-dried tomatoes with spaghetti sauce, but I don't put that on because I don't usually eat tomatoes. I usually add Italian sausage to this dish, but I didn't have any, so I put bacon in order to add that little flavor of the pork. My sister says everything goes better with bacon. In times past, I might have avoided making a recipe because I didn't have all the ingredients that it said on the package or on the recipe. But I've decided that whatever tastes good to me, I'm trying to please me and my family. And if I have it in the kitchen and I like the way it tastes, I just put it on top of there, and that's the way it ends up. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. It's the zucchini squash casserole, and I saw it somewhere on television and decided I'd try it, and it turned out to be really good. So I hope you'll try it. Thank you for watching.